Good morning, one and all. This is Prasanna from Trade Zone, and this video is about today's Banknifty levels for the Banknifty options level precisely. And currently, the market is trading around 32,270 on the spot of Banknifty and 32,445 in futures contract. So I would like to check and see and mark the swing high and low in the options contract itself. So let me consider 32,300 as the spot, and I have taken both the contracts, 32,300 call option and put option, and let's see how it's going to react in today's market. And we need to trade accordingly at the base level. We can go for the buy, which is the support levels. We can go for the buy, and the resistance we can go for the sell. Or you can, if you're your only options buyer, just wait for your lower levels to get triggered, or just wait for the breakout to happen and capitalize the trade. Yeah. So just in case, I'm just marking these levels with 1 hour time frame. It's a recent swings and the recent swing high and the recent swing low. All these areas have been marked appropriately. So I'm trying to make this very quick and short and quick video. So here we are planning for the support area, and the upper zone has to be like it has to be the resistance around 893. I think it is gonna take some support over here at this current point of time at near 345 or 350. So accordingly, you can enter your trades. Let's say 345 or 346 precisely. You can have a entry and see how it is getting reacted from this spot, and you can also check for the volume profile for your levels and see how it is actually helping you, right? So it is also working well for you. So we can trial your profits with 20 moving average. From here it may get rejected, or over here if it is crossing over here, you need to decide what has to be, whether you can mostly can book your profits when it's coming near 21 moving average, and take your trades accordingly. If you have 5 minutes or 15 minutes, based on your comfortable kind of based on your risk appetite, you can plan your trades accordingly. So that's it for 32,300 call option, and for 32,300 put option, it's quite similar case. 753 is the resistance area, and 146 should be the your support level. So it has to be either these two levels. It has to be near this level or near this level, then only you need to take your trade. Don't enter unnecessarily. You may end up in losses only. So keep it very simple, and try to stick to your stop loss. And any candle, if you're going for a buy, if a 15 minutes candle is getting closed or crossing over, if you feel that is enough, for you can close the trade and see if you have a good opportunity when it's getting reversed out here. Just make sure you can trade with 5 minutes or 15 minutes based on your risk appetite. Yeah, that's it. And this is the basic idea. I just want to share the options level for this today's market. Yeah, we'll get back to the next video and see what happens in the today's market. And later we have a end of the discussion as well on this for the same. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.